Well, hey, folks, welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Corner and another exciting Photoshop Elements video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to obviously show you what the title says, how to create a meme for social media. Now, everybody loves memes, right? We click on them and we laugh and we kind of look at them and we think, wow, how did that happen? So this is how to create a meme in Photoshop Elements. It's very simple. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do, we have a photograph open, normally in our editor. We're going to click on Guided Edit. A lot of people don't like using guided edit tools, but I tell you what, they are really easy to use and they work really, really great. So we're here under Fun Edits, okay, Fun Edits, and we're going to click on the Meme Maker. Here's the Meme Maker right here, okay? So there we go. There's our Meme Maker. First thing we're going to do here is we are going to create a meme template. So we just click on this button and it will work its magic here through Photoshop Elements. And there we go. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change our text, the top and bottom here. So we're just going to type something kind of interesting here. All right, once you type in what you want, just simply click the little checkbox here or hit your Enter key. Okay, you can hit Enter or click the checkbox. Okay, there you go. So the next thing we're going to do is click back on our text, and we're going to use the text tool here, the type tool, so we can see what kind of different text we'd like to have in there. So we'll just go down here at the bottom with our text menus, and we'll just bring this up, and we're going to type a different kind of text. I'm going to use this simple text here. Maybe we'll use this one right here, this bold, simple text, bold regular, okay? Click the checkbox once again. Okay. The next thing I want to do before I do that, I'm going to double click it again. I'm going to change the text color. Click on the color palette, and we're going to choose yellow, and click the little checkbox. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom. We're going to use yellow again. And we're also going to change the font. We're going to use the same one here just to keep this very simple here. And click the checkbox. Okay, so there you go. You basically have your meme set up. Now, what I'd like to do now is, since we're emphasizing the horses and the horses are talking to each other, let's go ahead and use the zoom tool, and we're going to zoom the subject, the photo area, up. So zoom the photo area, zoom the horses up. All right, so we can kind of emphasize the horses here. We're going to pull this down a little bit. Maybe we get that car out of the way. There we go. Okay, because the horses are actually talking to one another. You can flip the photo on the canvas. We're not going to do that. You can choose a new border. So if you click on here, you have all these other borders you can choose from. Okay, so we're going to try something a little different. Maybe we'll try this blue one here. It may be a little too blue. How about that one? That looks kind of like a fun meme, but the colors don't work with the text on the top there. There you go. That looks pretty. That looks fun. Okay. There you go. That looks fun. Choose an effect for your photos. So there's actual effects down here, extra effects that you can choose. And you just simply click on one of these effects. And it will apply that to the photo. And we're just going to bring this up here. And that actually looks pretty interesting. See how it's kind of blurred out there in the background? So it looks pretty interesting. Might be a little hard on the eyes, so maybe we'll choose something different. Let's choose this one here and see what this looks like. That's pretty much normal. let's just leave it like that. That looks pretty good. Once you're done with your meme, all you have to do is click on next. And it's going to tell you what you want to do with it. Save it, save as, open it in quick edit, or open it in expert mode. We're going to just go ahead and do a save as because we're going to use this and we're going to upload this to social media somewhere. And we're going to give it a name. So let's give it a name here of horses. Yeah. Take the horses. Change this from PSD because we don't want it to be a Photoshop file. We want it to be a JPEG. So we'll do a JPEG file. And we'll just save it right in our Steam show here. Now, you do not have to make this maximum size here for social media. You can make this actually lower. We can make this 5. All we're doing is changing the overall resolution of the photograph or the total pixels it's saving, but it's still going to look fine. So we'll leave it at 5. We'll click OK. And there you have it. We'll click on Done. And at that point, we are finished up. So, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little short video to show you how to make a meme for social media. And for this particular meme, we used Photoshop Elements to get the job done. Folks, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, by all means, click on that little subscribe button. Give me the old thumbs up. It does help the ratings of the YouTuber, and it helps us to get our word out there and get our channel viewed by more people, so I would appreciate that. If you have any ideas for a future edit, please leave that in the comment below. Until next time, remember, keep those shutters clicking, keep the editors editing, and I'll see you back here next time on Jack's Tech Corner. Bye for now, everybody.